Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you outlining how you can generate more customers through your website. So first thing, I want to start out with a quick website audit for you guys, just kind of go over what I see and any improvements I think could help with not only your conversions once people are getting to your site, but also your rankings and getting you guys moved up and generating more search traffic. So the first thing with your website is your phone number. This is kind of the first thing I see. Click-to-call buttons are very important these days because people are doing mobile search so often. So making this phone number click-to-call is definitely going to help you guys out with your conversions once people are getting to your website. And it's a very easy fix to make that a click-to-call. Looking at your guys' site, one other thing I did notice, you do have a decent amount of content on here. But I would even add more content. So there was a recent study done by Google. They looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So I would definitely recommend increase the amount of content you have on here. And with that, really make sure you include some of the keywords and search terms that you really want people to be picking you guys up for or finding you guys for. To where when people are making those searches, Google knows to pull up your website for those search terms. Then the last thing is your contact form. Moving this up to a farther up spot, my recommendation would probably be somewhere in this section right here. Moving this contact form up will just make it easier for people to get a hold of your guys' business. People are really looking for that path of least resistance when it comes to trying to find somebody to come out and paint their house. They just want to be able to put their information in and have you get back to them. So putting that contact form up a little higher would definitely help you guys with your conversions once people do get to your guys' website. But overall, really like the layout you guys have for your site. It's a great looking site. Not too many things that I would definitely change on this aside from that content. So looking at keywords, I was kind of able to bounce around to all the different counties you guys service. And I found some search volume out there for you guys, and there is definitely more out there. This was just a short period of time that I was able to find this, but definitely there is some search volume available for you guys to start generating more traffic for your business. So house painters, Tacoma, Washington, you're getting 40 searches a month. Painter, Powell, I know I'm probably butchering that. 40 searches a month. House painters, Olympia, 30. Tacoma business or house painters, 30, and then painter, Bremerton, another 20. So being in the top spot for one of these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. So say you were in the top spot just for this one here, you're going to be getting 33% of that headed towards your business. So definitely there's some potential here for you guys to generate a lot of new clients through your website by really focusing on moving up your business in the Google search results. So looking at the back end of your guys' website is what we're going to be comparing to your competitors here just momentarily. First thing, I want to look at House Painters, Tacoma, Washington. That's what we're going to be focusing on. Just because it had that highest search volume there. And so we will look and see what the competition is for this. So first thing we're looking at here is these are Google paid ads. And this is definitely a way to generate instant traffic for your business if you get these optimized and running correctly. It is not always a guarantee. It can kind of be a gamble as to if you're going to be getting any clients from this. Some people do have a lot of great success with it. Other people say they spent $500 and didn't get a single client. But it is definitely a possibility for generating instant clients for your business. You're going to see a lot higher return on investment by organically ranking your business here in the GMB or 3-pack or Google My Business. There's a couple different names for it. And organically ranking your business here in these organic listings. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this 3-pack. The first one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you can find for your business would be like Yelp, Yellow Book, even a Facebook page can be a citation if you list that business name, address, and phone number. So there's definitely a lot of opportunities there to get those. But the more citation sources you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. Another big ranking factor for getting into this is actually your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in these search results plays a big factor in if you're going to be in this 3-pack. So organically, the business we're going to be comparing yours to is Doxa Painting. I don't really include Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List. I don't really include them in these rankings just because Google does really prefer to rank the small business owner over these large national directory websites, as long as they're building out optimized websites that have good content on them. So Google really does prefer to have a business that really knows what they're talking about and they have authoritative content on their website. But if they're not doing that, then you are going to see these websites over the small businesses like you see here. So looking at the back end of your website, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. So this is, again, we're using Ahrefs here to find all these search results. This is a paid tool, but they do have like a $7 7-day trial. So if you guys wanted to get on there and verify any of this information, you definitely could do that. But what we're looking at here is what's called backlinks and referring domains. And currently you don't have any showing up for your website, which doesn't surprise me if you haven't done any SEO to it. But definitely there's some potential there. If you were to start doing some SEO or search engine optimization to your website, you would definitely see an improvement on those rankings. The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And the most popular kid's going to link himself to the least popular kid. What happens when he does that is it actually brings up the popularity of the least popular kid and makes him more popular in Google's eyes and brings him up in the search rankings. So the more backlinks and referring domains you have, the more likely you are to move up in the search results. So again, currently you guys don't have any, but looking at your competition, so we'll look at their website real quick. So really I wasn't all that impressed with their website. No content, like hardly at all. So you guys could definitely beat them out. I mean, you guys were already beating them out in content, but if you guys would really optimize that content, and include some of these search terms, I'm definitely confident you guys would to pass them up in the search results. Looking at the back end of their website, they only have 62 backlinks from 27 referring domains. So really not great metrics for them. Very doable for you guys to pass these guys up. And these factors, as far as what I'm talking about to, pass people up in the different search terms, these apply to all the different search terms you're looking at. So, your most difficult competition was for this search term. So if you guys are able to match these numbers, you would definitely see those other keywords getting into the top spot for those following shortly thereafter. So if you have any questions on anything I went over in this video, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Again, I hope you got something out of this. Thank you.